Silver mist through roots of stone, morning light and river spread, soft bird voices call us home.
Water falling far below,
moss alive on every tree. LANI runs where cool winds blow. This wild place is healing me.
Quiet earth beneath my feet, rain like music on the leaves. Every breath feels slow and deep, like the forest hears our needs.
Hidden trails through emerald shade, old trees rise like temple walls. In this sacred green we fade into echoes, rain and calls. We walk slowly through the light, through the green and endless sky. Hearts awake in holy silence, watching clouds and spirits rise.
Every waterfall is singing,
Every shadow softly glows.
in this forest we remember